Hello everyone, welcome back to Sri's tutorial. Today I'm here to show you different options in Scratch. First, I will show you how to take out the sprite and how to insert the new sprite and how to insert the backdrop. And apart from these two, I'm going to show you many more options today here in this Scratch. So what you all have to do, without skipping my video, you have to watch the complete video till the end. So let's start. So first, I will show you how to change the sprite. To change the sprite, first we need to take out this default sprite, cat sprite. Whatever cat is there, we have to take out this cat. So for that, you need to click on this delete option. Small delete option is there. I hope you all can see. Click on this delete option and then insert the new sprite. And where you have to go to insert the new sprite? Here, down at the right corner, see here, you have choose a sprite. So just you need to click on this choose a sprite and you can insert any sprite of your choice. So whichever sprite you want, you can click and insert that sprite in your stage. So here I'm going to take the sprite pencil. Okay, so I'm taking the pencil. So I have taken pencil here. Now, how will you insert the backdrop? Backdrop means background. Now, for that, here, just side of this sprite, this side of this new sprite, you have the backdrop. Choose a backdrop. So, just click on this and choose the backdrop, whichever backdrop you want to insert. So, just click whichever backdrop you like and you want to insert. So, just I'm scrolling it down. So that I want to see, okay, I want this wall one. So I have inserted this sprite. Okay, so this is the way you can insert new sprite and new backdrop. Now, today I'm going to show you how to draw a square and using that square shape, how to draw the different pattern. So for that, what we have to do first? We have to take the events block and in events block, we have the script called when flag is clicked. So just you need to click and drag this when flag is clicked. And to draw a square, as you all know that square has 4 sides and all the sides are equal. So for that, what we have to do? We have to draw the 4 sides lines. So for that, we have to take the script called pen down. And where will you find the pen down script? In pen block. But here, if you see here, we don't have this pen block option. So for that, you need to click on this add extension. Click on add extension and click on this pen. So as soon as you say add extension and pen, you will see here all your pen scripts will be inserted. Now here we need to choose the option script called pen down. So until the sprite keeps the pen down, you will not get your drawing. And then I'm going to say here, repeat. So how many times we have to repeat? As a square has 4 sides, right? So we have to use repeat 4 times. So where will you find this repeat option? In control block. In control block, we have to use this repeat option. And this you have to change from 10 to 4. Repeat 4. And how it has to draw? It has to move in the forward direction some steps and then it has to take the right turn and angle. What angle we have to use? For the angle we have to use 90 degrees. So let's do that. First we have to click on motion block, take move. Here we'll take 100 steps. As 10 steps means it will be very small area. So we'll take 100 steps and then we have to use turn option. Turn angle we have to use 90 degrees and then turn 90 degrees and this 2 step has to be repeated 4 times. So what it will do? The sprite will move first 100 steps and then it will draw a line and then again it will take right turn 90 degrees. Again it will move 100 steps, it will draw the line. Like this it will repeat 4 times. So let's check what happens. Just click on flag. So you all can see here, we can see the square here, but you can see it's not that clear. So for that, what we have to do? We have to increase the size of the thickness of the pencil. Okay, so for that what we have to do? We have to click on pen, and here we have to say pen size, set pen size. We'll give set pen size as, here we'll give 4, and whenever you repeat this command, it has to clear and then it has to repeat it. So for that we'll give erase all. Now see just what happens. You can see the thickness. You can see the thickness of the pencil has been increased. Now I don't want such a big pencil. I want to reduce the size of the pencil. So here down you have the size. So you can size, you can make it 50 if you want. So 50 size. I have taken 50 size. Now again you can just say erase all and you can try again. So like this you can draw the square. Now I want to even change the color of this. So for that you can use set pen color or change pen color. So I will say change pen color. So every time it will change, the color will be changed. So here this also I will keep it out of this repeat. And then you see once what happens. So whenever you'll use, so every time the color will be changed. If you say change pen color, then only it will change. If you say set pen color, means only one color will be set. So like this you can draw the square. Now using this, how will you draw the different pattern? So small editing work we have to do in the same script. For that what we have to do? We have to use here, same here we have to use another repeat command. That repeat has to be given, say for example we'll give this repeat 10 times. So for that where will you find the repeat? In control. So repeat, inside this we'll use again one more repeat. So repeat 10. So 10 times this commands will be repeated. Okay, and every time it will turn 36 degrees. I want to make turn this turtle. After drawing each square, it has to take a turn. And for that, in motion, we have to use turn. And this we will place here. Turn 30 degrees or 36, it's your wish. 36 degrees. And just see what happens. So nice. I hope it's clear. Now here also will change. So every time it will, whenever you'll do, it will change the color. So like this you can draw the different patterns using the shape. So I hope it's clear, my dear friends and students, whoever is watching this video. I hope the instructions are clear. Please try all these scripts and try to do something different. Explore yourself, and we'll meet again in the next video with some different topic. Thank you so much for watching my video.